Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to bring more money into your life in October? And the King of Swords came through. And this is all about putting out there the thoughts that are in alignment with the kind of money that you want to bring in this October. So firstly, take some time out to contemplate how much money do you want to bring in October, right? And then I want you to focus on thinking the thoughts that are in alignment with this goal. So you wouldn't be thinking thoughts that aren't in alignment, like say you set the goal of earning $5,000 this October, right? And then you start thinking, the money isn't here yet. Where's the money? I haven't got it. It's not going to come to me. They're not the thoughts you want to be thinking. The kind of thoughts you want to be thinking need to be in alignment with the goal. So you might be thinking things like, oh my God, I just manifested $5,000. I'm so happy. Oh wow, I've got $5,000 and I can now spend it on fill in the blank, right? So, it's about controlling the mind. It's about controlling the thoughts. It's about putting out there the thoughts that are in alignment with what you want to create. So you should be setting monthly money goals anyway, right? Really important because you're putting it out to the universe. This is what I want this month, right? So what kind of money do you want to bring in for October? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. So we'll put it out there to the universe and give it some energy. And then what kind of thoughts if that manifested into your life, would you be thinking? Let me know in the comments below as well what kind of thoughts you would be thinking if you manifested the amount of money that you want to manifest, right? So get really clear on all of that. Just to let you know too, I do have a little course, mini inexpensive course that helps you manifest $5,000 within 30 days. So let me know in the comments if you want to find out more information about that. And if you've liked the video, make sure you like it, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And happy manifesting for October. Bye.